Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.4, question number 1. Find the non-parametric form of the vector equation and Cartesian equation of the straight line passing through the point with position vector 4i plus 3j minus 7k and parallel to the vector 2i minus 6j plus 7k. Here, the passing through point is vector A equal 4i plus 3j minus 7k and parallel to the vector. Parallel to the vector, let it be vector B equal 2i 6j plus 7k. Now the vector equation is non-parametric form of vector equation. Vector equation of the line is r vector minus a r vector minus a into vector b. So that is, we will have r vector minus the vector a is 4i plus 3j 7k which is cross multiplied with 2i minus 6j plus 7k. Now let x1 y1 z1 is equal to 4 3 7, passing through point, this one 4 3 7, and b1 b2 b3 is 2 minus 6 7. Now we'll rearrange the Cartesian equation like we can get it. Cartesian equation by using above information is here x minus 4 over the parallel vector is 2 equal y minus 3, that is y minus y1. We can write first in terms of x1 and x1 and b, x minus x1 over b1, x minus x2, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. Now we'll substitute the values. X is x, x1 is 4 over b1 is 2 equal y minus y1 is 3 over b2 is minus 6. Z minus z1 is 7 over 7. Z plus 7 here. X minus 4, y minus 3, z plus 7 is the required Cartesian equation of the given vector equation. Now question number 2. Find the parametric form of the vector equation and Cartesian equation of the straight line passing through the point -2, 3, 4 and parallel to the straight line x minus 1 over minus 4, y plus 3 over 5, z 8 minus z by 6. Here, let vector A, that is passing through vector, is minus 2i plus 3j plus 4k. This is a passing through vectors and parallel to the straight line. So parallel vector we can write, and vector B equal, vector B is this minus 4 and parallel vector is minus 4i plus 5j plus 6k. Now the parametric form of the vector equation of a straight line passing through the point A and the parallel to B. Therefore, parametric form of vector equation passing through the point vector A and parallel to vector B is, we can write R vector equal A vector plus T is the parametric constant, T B vector B, where R is element of real number. Therefore, we can say R vector equal A is given minus 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus T times B is minus 4i plus 5j plus 6k. This we are writing here. After that, where T is an element of R, parametric constant, it's now Cartesian equation. Therefore, we can write Cartesian equation of the above vector equation. Cartesian equation of above vector equation is like here, that is here x minus x1 over b1, y minus y1 b2, z minus z1 by b3. Now here we are having minus 2, 3 and 4 is x1, y1, z1, and minus 4, 5, 6 equal minus 4, 6 equal b1, b2, b3, b1, b2, b3. Regarding, we'll substitute, the equation becomes x plus 2, because here x1 is minus x plus 2 over minus 4, y minus 3 over b2 is 5, z minus z1, that is 4 over 6. Here minus 6, not plus 6. Here minus 6, because 8 minus z is there. Here 8 minus z is there, you have to change it as z minus 8, so it become minus 6. So normally here x minus 1, y plus 3, 8 minus z is there, so I have to change it as z minus 8. Regarding that, you have to get it minus here. So this is now here also minus. Now we'll use it that minus here. So this is our Cartesian equation. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.